So today I will talk about, or we will derive expression for acceleration in terms of spherical polar coordinates. Acceleration in terms of spherical polar coordinates. So as we know that this acceleration is rate of change of velocity on of this one. So it is r dot r cap plus r theta dot theta cap plus r sine theta phi dot and phi cap. So we have to take the derivative of each separately. So d upon dt of r dot r cap plus d upon dt of r theta dot theta cap plus d upon dt of r sine theta phi dot phi cap. So let us take derivative of each separately. So here it is d upon dt of r dot and r cap will remain as it is plus d upon dt, r dot will be here, and the derivative of this means I have applied the product rule here, and then because basically r cap, theta cap and phi cap are changing where particle changes its position. So plus d upon dt of r theta dot theta cap plus r d theta dot over dt and phi cap plus r theta dot d upon dt of theta cap plus dr over dt and sine theta phi dot and this phi cap plus r d upon dt of sine theta and it is phi dot and phi cap plus r sine theta, and then it is phi dot d upon dt of phi and phi cap plus r sine theta phi dot d upon dt of phi cap. So how it can be written as, say, this is r double dot because it is second order derivative, r cap plus r dot dr cap over dt plus it is r dot r theta dot and d theta cap over dt plus r dot, it is sine of theta phi dot phi cap plus r theta double dot, sorry, try to look at it here, r sine, derivative of sine is cos of theta and again derivative of theta, that is theta dot, so it is phi dot and the phi cap plus r sine theta phi double dot and phi cap plus r sine theta phi dot d phi over dt. So now we need to determine these values, dr by dt, d phi over dt, and d theta over dt and d phi over dt. That's what we have to determine now. So as we know that as we did in the earlier case, that when we are trying to find out velocity, at that time we have derived that so this is basically acceleration dv over dt, as we have derived that dr cap over dt. While we are doing this for acceleration, we have derived that it is dr cap by dt is equal to theta dot theta cap plus sine of theta, it is phi cap, and this one phi dot and the phi cap. This is the value of this one, and let us try to find out now d theta cap over dt. So let us try to find out d theta cap over dt. So let me put the value of this. First of all, let me remind that is what is r cap. So this r cap is basically sine theta cos phi, sine theta cos phi, it is sine theta cos phi I cap plus sine theta sine phi j cap plus cos of theta k cap, and theta cap is equal to cos of theta cos of phi I cap plus cos theta sine of phi j cap minus sine theta k cap, and phi cap is equal to minus sine phi I cap plus cos of phi j cap. So let us try to find out this derivative of this one. So how it can be written? So it is d upon dt of cos of theta cos of phi I cap plus cos of theta sine of phi j cap minus sine theta k cap, and let us take their derivative. So first of all, let us take its derivative. So the derivative of this is equal to it is minus sine theta, derivative of cos is minus sine theta, again derivative of it is theta dot, and cos phi will remain as it is, right? And again derivative of this is equal to minus cos theta as it is, then derivative of cos phi is minus sine, so that makes it minus, and it is again phi cap and whole I cap plus minus sine theta theta cap sine phi, means the derivative of this, apply chain rule here, and again plus cos of theta, the derivative of sine will be cos of phi and the phi dot, and it is j cap, and it is minus cos of theta theta dot k cap. That's what we are getting. Now let us put all the terms together, ij and k, means so if we put the theta dot is sitting here, theta dot is sitting here, and theta dot is sitting here, so let us put all these terms together. So it is theta dot can be taken outside because it is minus, it is minus, it is minus, so theta dot with negative sign is taken outside. So it is sine theta, it it is cos phi sin theta cos phi. Here it is plus sin theta sin phi. It is, yeah, it is I cap, it is j cap, sin theta cos phi sin theta sin phi, and plus cos of theta k cap. And now we will remain with these two terms. So let us do one thing. So cos theta phi can be taken outside, so it is yeah, plus cos of theta phi dot can be taken outside, so it is minus sin phi. It is minus sin phi I cap and plus cos phi j cap. This term I am putting it like this, so that means now we put these two terms together, and what is it? So it is theta dot with negative sign, and this is basically r cap. So theta dot r cap plus cos of theta phi dot, and it is phi cap. This term is phi cap when we compared it with it. So that means, let me go back. Yeah, so this d theta cap over dt, it can be written as minus theta dot r cap plus cos of theta phi dot and the phi cap. This is the, and let us try to find out now this term. Let's go to the next page again. Say, so d phi cap over dt, it can be written as d upon dt of minus sin phi I cap plus cos of phi j cap. So what should I do? I will take its derivative, so it is basically minus cos phi phi cap phi dot I cap minus, again its derivative, minus sin phi phi dot j cap, and basically this is equal to if we take minus outside, so it is written as cos of phi, say phi dot can be taken outside from here, so inside it is cos of phi I cap plus sin of phi j cap, and it is basically equal to, means this part is basically equal to, it is sin theta r cap plus cos of theta theta cap, and this phi minus phi dot will remain as it is with it, right? So let us try to prove that how this part is equal to this one. So for that, let us proceed as follows. So for that, what should I do? As we know that this say this is 1 and this is 2, so when 1 multiplied by with sin theta, this is when 1 multiplied with theta, and 2 multiplied with cos 2 theta, and then when they are added together, then what we are getting, so it will become sin theta r cap plus cos of theta theta cap. So when sin theta is multiplied with it, so it is equal to sin square theta, it is cos phi I cap plus sin square theta, and sine phi j cap plus cos square theta, not cos square but cos theta sine of theta k cap with it, plus cos square theta cos phi I cap plus cos square theta sine phi j cap plus, sorry, minus will be here, minus cos of theta sine of theta k cap. So this will cancel out with it. So what it will be? It is yeah, cos of phi I cap. It is with it, and also inside it is equal to sine square theta cos square theta, just a minute, yeah, plus cos square theta, and here it is sine phi j cap. Inside it is will be, for these two terms, sine square theta plus cos square theta, and this is also 1 and this is also 1, so it is equal to cos of phi I cap plus sine of phi j cap. So this basically relationship we have used it here, this particular case. So now what should I do? Yeah, that's what I did here. So therefore d phi over dt, this d phi over dt is equal to, therefore the d phi over cap over dt, it can be written as minus sine theta phi cap r minus cos of theta phi dot and theta cap. So let us put this in the earlier one. So therefore d phi cap over dt is equal to minus sine theta phi dot r cap minus cos of theta phi dot and the theta cap. So let us put all these terms here. So what it will become? Therefore acceleration will become r double dot r cap plus r dot, the value of here by this one is theta dot theta cap plus sine theta phi dot phi cap, I put it here, plus r dot theta cap plus r theta double dot theta cap plus r theta dot, and the value of this will be equal to minus theta dot r cap plus cos of theta phi dot phi cap plus r dot sine theta phi dot phi cap plus r cos theta dot phi dot, and it's a phi cap plus r sine theta phi double dot phi cap plus r sine theta dot, and here the value will be minus sine theta, it is yeah, minus sine theta phi dot r cap minus cos of theta phi dot and theta cap. So therefore let us put all the terms together. Means r cap is separate and the theta cap is separate. So what it will be? Let us, this is one term, so it is r double dot, and where r cap is sitting, yeah, r cap is sitting here, yeah, r cap is sitting here and another r cap is sitting here. So it is plus, sorry, not plus, what it is, minus r theta dot square, minus r theta dot square, and here it is r sine square theta, r sine square theta, r sine square theta, and its phi dot is here. Let me do mistaken somewhere, just a minute. Yeah, r sine theta. So, yeah, sorry, it is basically it's, yeah, it is phi cap, so it is phi cap, right? Sorry, phi dot is there, so it is plus or minus r sine theta phi terms. So there is theta cap, and theta cap is sitting here, and theta cap is sitting here. Theta cap is yeah, and where theta cap is sitting, this is one term, and this is second term, this is third term. Me so it is phi cap, and phi is, yeah, okay, one more term is there with me, yeah, it is there, it is also sitting here also. So it is r dot, sorry, so it is r dot, and it is r dot theta dot r dot theta dot, and another term is also here, so plus r dot, sorry, plus is here, r dot theta dot is also sitting with it, and plus r theta double dot, and another term is here, plus r sine theta, and r sine theta cos of theta, sorry, r sine theta cos theta, and phi dot and the phi dot, so phi dot square and whole theta cap. Now we will remain with the rest of the terms. This is phi cap is sitting here, phi cap is sitting here, and phi cap is sitting here, here, and here. So let us put all these together. So what it will be, plus sine theta phi dot sine theta plus r theta dot cos of phi dot, then plus r dot sine theta phi dot plus r cos of theta dot phi dot, this is it, and plus r sine theta and phi double dot raised to power, sorry, into phi cap. So let us rearrange these terms now. So when we rearrange these terms, so that means acceleration is equal to r double dot minus r theta dot square, r theta dot square sorry, this is not there, I mistaken it. Yeah, because I placed it here, so it is r minus r sine square theta and phi dot square r cap. Let us put these two together, and so r theta double dot plus r dot theta dot plus r sine theta cos of phi, cos theta, and it is phi dot square, and it is theta cap. Similarly, it is let me go back a little bit. R. For phi it is okay. R dot is sitting here. This is R dot is sitting here. So R sine theta. It is R dot sine theta is sitting here. I missed it. And it is R theta double dot is here. So for the phi, this phi term is one phi term and another phi term is here, so it is r theta dot cos phi dot, right? Yeah, it's right, yeah, rest will be fine. So let us rearrange it. So what it will be, r sine theta term is where it's yeah, it is r sine theta. Let us put it first of all. So plus is here, yeah, r sine theta phi double dot plus r phi sine theta is here, r dot sine theta phi dot, r dot sine theta phi dot. So it is 2 r dot theta dot, not theta but it is phi dot, yeah, phi dot, and it is sine of theta. I put these two together, then r cos theta, r cos theta. Let me check whether it is right or wrong. Yeah. Just a minute. Here it is second term. Cos theta is here. It is cos theta. So let me put it cos theta. It is cos theta. It is here. Let me now. So what it will be? This is r cos theta plus r cos of theta, theta dot and phi dot, r cos theta, theta dot and phi dot. This is one term and this is also another term, so these are two put together, so it is phi cap. So thus we can write down ar vector plus a theta vector plus a phi vector, and here ar is r double dot minus r theta dot square minus r sine square theta phi dot square r cap. This is the one component in terms of spherical polar coordinates, and similarly we can write down a theta vector. A theta vector can be written as this, yeah, r theta double dot plus r dot theta dot plus r sine theta cos theta phi dot square into theta cap, and a phi component is equal to 2r sine theta, sorry, it is r sine theta, it is r sine theta phi double dot plus 2r dot phi dot sine of theta plus 2r cos of theta, theta dot and phi dot into phi cap. So thus we have derived acceleration in terms of spherical polar coordinates. So that's all for this lecture.